Welcome back to my Go High Level series where I teach you everything you need to know about Go High Level and show you automations I make myself. I have a free snapshot in the description if you want to download this stuff yourself. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what happens in my sub account and my client sub account when they mark a lead as won or lost or abandoned. And I'm going to run you through a couple of steps, some automations that can send them messages, that can remove them from the pipeline, that sort of thing, just some maintenance on the back end of the software. And then I'm also going to be adding a action for after an appointment shows. So once your customer shows up to your appointment, they'll get sent an email afterwards. So I'm going to go ahead and start with that workflow now. I'm making this because one of my customers asked me to do this, and I didn't even think about this. So it's pretty interesting. Just by the way, if you run an agency, like ask your customers, like ask your clients what they want to see inside the CRM, and then build that stuff and then resell it. So we're going to go over to appointment status, and filter is going to be appointment status is confirmed. And then after that, you just want to add an email and put your email in here. User email, subject line, thanks for showing to the call, or it was so great meeting you. And then I'll just write some like half-ass thing in here. By the way, just a quick tip, don't ever use the customer's full name when you're messaging them. It just looks automated. So I do like, hey John, instead of hey John Smith. I think that helps a lot. So hey, contact first name, thank you for coming, joining me on the call. If you have any questions, please give me a call at this number. And then we're just going to put the agency number in here, or the user's phone. And then maybe like add an attachment, so, or like your price sheet or whatever, just attach something here. Again, and I've said this in my other videos before, if you thought I was going to give you like this crazy email script that was going to convert a bunch of clients, like you're just wrong. Figure it out, like figure it out yourself. That's just how it goes. And that's, you can send one email, or we can send like a couple of emails. So we can do like a 24-hour wait, and then have like another post meeting confirmation, and send a second email to them as well, right? And then maybe even after that, we will add them to our nurture sequence if you want to do that. So if you're going to add them to the nurture sequence that I have created inside of here, you would just click custom fields and then long-term nurture. So it updates their contact field to add them to the long-term nurture sequence. That's if that's what you want to do. It depends. Like if you close the deal, you don't really have to send them emails for people who didn't close. This is just all theory. So I'm actually going to delete the back half of this because I only like to send one email, and my customer only wanted me to send one email, and we're gonna publish that. And bam, so now every single time you confirm your appointment inside of your calendar, a customer will get sent this email. So that's the first thing. Hold on, let's change this to showed. That way we're not messing anyone up. That's the first automation. I'm going to be making 3 other automations in this video. And again, like I said, I have a snapshot in the description. If you just want the snapshot, go ahead. You can click the link. Like there's no like meeting or anything. You just get the snapshot. Like it's free. So this is what happens if an appointment gets marked lost, or a lead in the pipeline gets marked lost. So we would go to status, appointment status, pipelines. Nope. Hold on. Status, opportunity status change, add filter in pipeline. This is the pipeline we created. And then the move to status lost. And when I do that, I usually just add them to my nurture sequence. Contact change, nurture, long-term nurture. And that's it for the lost automation. Now I'm going to go ahead and add an abandoned one, and I don't know if I'll add a one automation just because I don't have one, I don't think myself. But opportunity status changed, in pipeline, leave pipeline, move to status, abandoned. And I make this stuff honestly not just to like give you what I do, but also for you to understand a little bit more how this works. how this software works, how these automations work, because there is so much you can do within Go High Level, and I think that's very important. So yeah, if opportunity gets marked as abandoned, we remove them from the pipeline, or yeah. So if you drag and drop your opportunity here, say there's an opportunity right here, you drag it and there's a bucket at the bottom of the screen in the middle that says abandoned, you drag it there, it removes them from the pipeline. If you drag them to lost, it'll mark them as lost. And then I also have a lost column here so we can see where everyone is. So I actually need to update that inside of here. So where is lost? Now my ideas for marking someone as one, though, like if you want to mark someone as one and what kind of automations you'd like to trigger, I would maybe update their lead value. So say you close them at a $2,000 deal and that's what the price of your service is, you would mark them as that. Or, well, actually, hold on. I am going to make one because I forgot I do have a one pipeline stage. So we're going to go ahead and make this one, and then appointment status is 1. Oh, also, by the way, I have, like, oh, this is an appointment status. Hold on. Opportunities status change. Okay. By the way, I do want to let you know that I have like 4 or 5 other videos of me building out automations within Go High Level on my channel. So if you want to check that out, they're on my channel. I think I have a playlist with everything that I've done in here. So say you mark them as 1, create update opportunity, say lead pipeline stage 1, and then the status is 1. I'm gonna show you another thing. I like to keep my CRM organized. So I usually make folders, and usually my folders will be like, this is the like MISC, like back end stuff, and then I'll have like my appointment reminders or manual stuff like the database reactivation. But I'm gonna make a folder and just call this pipeline status. And then I'm going to throw all this in there. That way it's just organized and you don't have like 50 automations all over the place. Also, like seriously, if you start messing around with an automation and you decide not to use it and you back out of it, like don't have crappy, I don't know, I've looked at a lot of automations before, or CRMs before, and just seen like 50 workflows with all these numbers, and like they're not named, and there's 50 of them, and there's automations all over the place, and there's ones that are drafted. It's like never deleting the ones that aren't important. That is so important. Like if I have to stress anything about Go High Level or about CRM or whatever, is keeping everything organized. Keep this stuff organized, so that way it's easy for you in the future. So that's pretty much it. We just finished creating the 3 things that happen when an appointment gets, or a lead gets marked a different status. So abandoned, they get removed from the pipeline. Lost, they get added to the lost column, and they get added to our long-term nurture sequence. And then 1, we add them to our 1 nurture sequence, or our 1 opportunity stage. So that's pretty much it for the video. If you enjoyed it, subscribe, hit the like button. I'm going to be making videos like this all the time. Also, if you just want the free snapshot and you don't want to do this stuff yourself, click the link in the description. I'm giving away the snapshot for free, and check it out. So hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.